In this video, I'll walk you through several ways to fix the Alt-Tab function in League of Legends if it's not working the way it should. This issue can be frustrating, but the fixes are actually pretty simple once you know where to look. First, head into your in-game settings and check your display mode. You'll want to make sure the game is set to borderless instead of full screen. Borderless mode allows smoother switching between windows. I'm using windowed mode here just for recording purposes, but for normal gameplay, borderless is the best option for Alt-Tab to work consistently. Next, if you're using a gaming keyboard, there's a chance your software is interfering. Programs like Logitech G Hub or Razer Synapse often include a gaming mode feature. This mode can disable certain key combinations like Alt-Tab to prevent accidental interruptions during gameplay. Open your keyboard software and make sure that feature is turned off. Another simple thing to check: make sure you actually have another window open. Alt-Tab won't do anything if there's nowhere to switch to. If your screen feels stuck and you can't access anything, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and open Task Manager. That will force a window switch and help you regain control. Finally, one of the most effective fixes is disabling full screen optimizations. Start by closing the game completely. Then locate the Riot client on your computer. Right-click it and select Open File Location. If needed, repeat this step until you find the Riot Client Services .exe file. Right-click it, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab, and check the box for Disable Full Screen Optimizations. You'll want to repeat this exact process for the main League of Legends executable and the game file inside the Game folder as well. Don't forget to click Apply and OK each time. If you're using a desktop shortcut, it's worth applying the same setting there too. After going through all these steps, Alt-Tab should work smoothly again without freezing or minimizing issues. If this helped you out, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more quick fixes.